Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where I'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your Duolingo sound. If you're having trouble with fixing your Duolingo sound, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up, so stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's get started. Go ahead and open your app Duolingo. Then on the bottom of the phone you'll see a lot of options there, and you'll have to click on the middle option which looks like a girl or could be a face or something like that. Then go to on the top right of your phone, you'll see the option of settings, so click on the option of settings. Now you'll see options like accounts, support, and on account you'll see preferences, profile, notifications, courses, Duolingo for schools. Now what you have to do is go to preferences, and then you'll see the option of sound effects, animation, and motivational messages, stuffs like that. Now you can turn it off, whichever one you want for better experience or however you like it, or if it's off then turn it on for better experience. Now click on done, and there you go. This is how you can fix your sound in Duolingo. I hope this video helped you fix your sound in Duolingo. If you did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.